Namaskar, good evening. Today we'll take a look at a small cap company which is likely to become a mid cap company, Philatex India Limited. Philatex India Limited is India's one of the top five manufacturers of polyester, filament yarns, and chips, etc. They manufacture polyester, polypropylene multi-filament yarn, and polyester chips. Actually, one of you was asking for reviewing this Philatex. So I thought instead of reviewing Wipro, etc., let me review this. This has done better than Wipro. Wipro has done well, Infosys has done well, TCS has done well. See, all the three major IT majors have done well. But many small cap companies and mid cap companies are doing far better. Q3 is much better. Now, one of the better performances has come from Philatex India Limited. It has got two manufacturing facilities, one at Dadra Nagar Haveli and the second is at Dahej, both equipped with the state-of-the-art modern German machines. The management comes from the same family. Madhusudan Bagaria, Chairman and Managing Director. Purushottam Bagaria, Joint Managing Director. Madhav Bagaria, Joint Managing Director. Now let's take a look at the Q3 results. Net sales are 721.5 crores in December quarter, that is Q3. And previous quarter 507.7 crores. And a year ago quarter 537.7 crores. So current quarter Q3 of this year and Q3 of last year, there is a marginal drop actually. Year on year 2.19% drop in sales. 2.19% is marginal, nothing much. But quarter to quarter 42.1% growth is there. So, compared to previous quarter, sales have grown 42.1%. Compared to year ago quarter, there is a fall of 2%. Now, total expenditure, if you look at that, 632 crores. Compared to 497 crores in the previous quarter, 713 crores in the year ago quarter. So, here also expenditure has fallen also more than sales. Fall is more than sales, therefore sales have grown well. 11.32% fall year on year in expenditure, and growth is 27.32% quarter on quarter. Now, if you look at the percentage of expenditure in revenue, it is 87.61% in the latest quarter, compared to 97.79% in the previous quarter and 96.64% in the year ago quarter, which means the expenditures have been brought down considerably. Especially raw material consumption has come down year on year by 12.89%. But of course, it has grown by 32.6% quarter on quarter. But if you look at the expenditure percentage in revenue, in the latest quarter it is 87.61%. I repeat again, 87.61% in the lowest. Previous quarter 97.79%, year ago quarter 96.64%. Therefore, the performance in the latest quarter is very good. Profit before tax is 91 crores. Compared to previous quarter 13 crores and year ago quarter just 26 crores. So profit before tax has leaped year on year by 248% and 619% quarter on quarter. Year on year 248%, quarter on quarter 619% profit before tax. Tax also has jumped from now 25 crores, previous quarter just 3 crores, year ago quarter 8 crores. So now tax has jumped by 228% year on year and 664% quarter on quarter. Tax has jumped well. Now, net profit therefore stands at 66 crores in the latest quarter. Previous quarter just 9 crores and year ago quarter 18.57 crores. So net profit has jumped by 255.63% year on year. Impressive. I should say net profit jumped 255.63% year on year is very impressive. And quarter on quarter 603%. Quarter on quarter, of course, the previous quarter was a COVID quarter. So that 603% accounts for that. But year on year jump also is quite impressive, 263%. Now, sales to net profit percentage, if you calculate, what is the percentage of net profit in sales? Latest quarter 9.15%, which is very high compared to previous quarter 1.85% and year ago quarter 2.52%. So net profit margin has jumped impressively in the latest quarter. 9.15% versus 1.85% in the previous quarter and 2.52% in the year ago quarter. So profit margin jumping is very, very good. Equity stands at 44.16 crores. Basic EPS is 2.99 compared to just 0.43 in previous quarter, 0.85 in the year ago quarter. Market price stands at 64.7. Price earning is 5.43. See, generally price earning should be around 10. Now, why is it at 5.43? You see, textile companies, many of them are not commanding a market sentiment. That's the problem. Now, Philatex has done well. And before COVID also, it was doing well, as far as I remember. So, it should command a price earning of 10 at least. See, some companies are having 33, 34, even 90. So, 5.43 is very low for... market price should improve. That depends on market sentiment. Who can guarantee it? No way. Volumes are good, 9 lakhs. 52-week high was 72, 52-week low was 15. Whoever has purchased at 15 will have this as a multi bagger. Now 64. So more than 4 times. So lowest was 15, highest was 72. Now current market price is 64.7. We can never catch, most of us can never catch companies at such lows. That's why Warren Buffett says, when all the other people are crying, you jump, you do some buying. But when other people are very, very, very bullish, you go back. So that's a principle that Warren Buffett says, and he is right. But we always commit that mistake. When all people are going back, we also go back. So Philatex is at price earning 5 at 64.7. Of course, it is low. Will it go up? Nobody can say. It should go up. Normally, if market sentiment is good, it should go up, but who can say? 3-year CAGR growth, revenue has grown by 21.4%, net profit has grown by 44% in the last 3 years. Operating profit growth 18.6%. Now price performance, if you see that in the last 1 week it has fallen actually 5.5%, 1 month 57% rise, 3 months 153.73% rise. Why? So it had fallen very low. So like that 1 year 57.61% rise, 3 years 33.9% rise. See, if you want to be successful in the stock market, you must catch when the market is terribly low. In March, April, it was terribly low. All of us failed to capitalize on that. Of course, I made some small purchases at that time also. But that was the time to make big purchases. Now it is in highs. Okay, we'll go further. It has commissioned and commenced a captive roof top solar plant of 1 megawatt capacity at Dahej and 0.4 megawatt capacity at Dadra in December. The company has achieved its highest ever quarterly EBITDA of 120 crores and EBITDA margin of 16.65 crores. I already told net profit margin is very high. and he says EBITDA margin also is very, very high. Steady increase in demand in the second half. Demand has improved in the second half. Company is running at 90% of its yarn production capacity, and it has improved product mix with more value-added sales. Now, the key message from the company is we are excited to announce that we have achieved our highest EBITDA and improved EBITDA margins after facing a pandemic setback in H1 FY21. H2 it is coming back, the first quarter after COVID fears. This has been possible on account of a quick and steady recovery in the downstream textile sector. Now these people are supplying to the downstream textile sector. Now they have improved, and sharp recovery of demand is there. Now they have commenced additional DTY capacity. Also, that's what the chairman and managing director says. They are one of the top 5 manufacturers of polyester filament yarns. 2 facilities, Dadra Nagar Haveli and another at Dahej. So 2 world-class manufacturing facilities, 383,000 tons per annum capacity is there. They are exporting to 45 countries. Some 25% of the drawn texturizing yarn has been exported. Shareholding pattern, if you see, they have reduced their pledging. The total pledge was 33.84%. They have reduced 2.66%. Promoters have increased their holding from 60.47 to 65.23%. I already told many people have purchased, many promoter group have purchased, but institutional investors have decreased their holding slightly from 5.4 to 4.54%. So I can definitely say Filatex has done well. But will the prices go up? That nobody can guarantee. Textile sector has not been market favorite for quite some time, but it should. Now the thing is, we are exporting. We should export more aggressively. Chinese are very aggressive in textile exports also. Now India should compete much more strongly. If that happens, all sectors with exports will improve their market sentiment, and therefore prices will rise. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another very good company. Many, see, 500% improvement, 600% improvement in profits is great. If it was followed by sales also, it would have been much better. Okay, still it is good. Profit margins have improved a lot. Thank you.